Example number 11. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the arithmetic progression 8, 3, minus 2, so on and so forth. Okay? So हम यहाँ पे given से start करते हैं. Given क्या है हमारे पास? A is equal to 8, D is 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 and n is equal to 22. Okay, so अब हम जानते हैं the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic progression is given by a formula s is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close. ओके, n हमारे पास क्या है? दैट इज 22 अपॉन 2 2a. a क्या है? a is 8, so 2a is 16 plus n minus 1, so that is 22 minus 1 into d, that is minus 5 bracket close, big bracket closed. Okay, so this is equal to 11 into brackets 16 plus 21 into minus 5. Okay, so अब ये क्या बनेगा? 11 into brackets 16, 21 into 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 105, और ये 105 है और साइन माइनस की है, so this will become minus 105. Okay, so this is equal to 11 into minus 89, and 11 into minus 89 is minus 979, and this is our answer. So the sum of first 22 terms of the given AP is minus 979. Example number 12. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Okay, so let us start by writing whatever is given to us. Okay, so given is A is equal to 10. Okay, the sum of the first 14 terms, so n is equal to 14 and sum s is equal to 1050. Okay, हमें फाइंड करना है 20th टर्म. हमारे पास सीरीज नहीं है इसलिए हम d नहीं फाइंड कर सकते यहाँ पे, बट हमारे पास सम है. द सम इज गिवन टू अस एज 1050. सो लेट अस पुट द फॉर्मूला इन प्लेस फर्स्ट एंड मेक एन अटेम्प्ट टू फाइंड द अननोन वैल्यूज टू अस. सो s इज इक्वल टू n अपॉन 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket closed. So s is given to us as 1050, n is 14 upon 2 into brackets 2 into a, that is 2 into 10 is 20 plus 14 minus 1 is 13d. Okay, so this is 1050 is equal to 7 and this is 20 plus 13d. Okay, so 1050 is equal to 140 plus 91d. Okay, so 91d is equal to 1050 minus 140. So 91d is equal to 910. Okay, and therefore d is equal to 910 upon 91 is equal to 10. ये हमने एक अननोन निकाल लिया D. Okay? Now let us see what is the 20th term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay? So a20 is equal to a is 10 plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1 is 19 into D is 10. So a20 is equal to 10 plus 190 and a20 is equal to 200. Therefore, the 20th term is 200. Example number 13. How many terms of the arithmetic progression 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that their sum is 78? Okay. So, जो given है हम यहाँ पे भी उसी से start करेंगे. So, the given are A is equal to 24. Okay. Sum of the series. Okay. Maybe before that, let us take D. So, D is 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3 and sum is equal to 78. आपके पास n is unknown, आपको n ही find करना है यहाँ पे. Okay. So, straight away we have to put the formula over here and the formula is S, that is the sum, is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D bracket closed. Okay. So, S is 78 is equal to n is not known to us. It will remain n into 2 into a. So, that is 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. Okay. So 78 is equal to, in fact हम यहाँ पे इसको straight away 2 को 78 से multiply करके we can make it as 156 only, is equal to n into 2 into 24 is 48. Okay, so let us open the brackets here. So minus 3 into n is minus 3n and minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 1 bracket closed. Okay, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 bracket closed. So 156 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Okay, so 156 is equal to 51n minus 3n square. Okay, so this can be written as 0 is equal to minus 3n square plus 51n minus 156. Okay, so the equation would become 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, now we will divide the entire equation by 3. Dividing the equation by 3. उससे क्या होगा, ये जो हमारी इक्वेशन थोड़ी सी और सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में आ जाएगी. सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड 3n स्क्वायर माइनस 51n प्लस 156 इक्वल्स टू 0 बाई 3, यू गेट n स्क्वायर minus 51 upon 3 is 17, 17 3s are 51 plus 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so अभी n को हमें फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं. सो दिस वुड बिकम n स्क्वायर माइनस 3n माइनस 14n प्लस 52 is equal to 0. Why? Because 14 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are. So this equation can be written as n minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, and therefore n is either 4 or n is either 13. So since both the values are possible, the number of terms to get the sum 78 for the given arithmetic progression is either 4 or 13 is the answer. Example number 14. Find the sum of number 1, the first 1000 positive integers. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो ये sum बनेगा, summation n for the 1000 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on and so forth. Okay, so a is till 1000. So a is 1. Okay, and उसके बाद the last term is 1000. Okay, and n is also 1000. So in this case, summation n is equal to n upon 2 into a plus l. Okay, so n upon 2 is equal to 1000 upon 2 into a is 1 plus l is 1000 again. So this is 500 into 1001 and this is equal to 500, 500. So the first 1000 positive integers will have their addition as 500, 500. Now let us take the next sum. Find the sum of the first n positive integers. Okay, so solution. Let the sum of the first n positive integers be given as Sn, and this would be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on and so forth till the last number is n. Okay, so हमारे पास फॉर्मूला क्या है? Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे हम इन वैल्यूज को पुट कर देते हैं. So sum n Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a is 1 that we know, okay, plus n. Okay, so अब ये क्या बनेगा? This would be Sn is equal to n into 1 is n plus n square upon 2, और मे बी अगर हमें इसे थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में करना है, हम n को बाहर ही रहने देते हैं, n into 1 plus n अपॉन 2. सो ये एक फॉर्मूला है जो हमने डिराइव किया है. द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट n पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स is n into 1 plus n or n plus 1 upon 2, and this is the answer. Example number 15. Find the sum of first 24 numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Okay, so हमारे पास यहाँ पे given है an is equal to 3 plus 2n for some value of n. Okay, and हमको ये करना है for the first 24 term यानी a24. an is equal to a24. Okay, now let us assume कि n is 1. If n is 1, then a1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1. Okay, so this is equal to 5. Now if n is 2, then a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 2, which is 3 plus 4, 7. If n is equal to 3, then a3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 9. And if n is equal to 4, then a4 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 plus 3 is 11, and if n is equal to 5, then A5 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 5, 10 and 3 is 13. So आपके पास अगर हम n 1 2 3 4 5 लेते हैं, then the terms of the AP of the sequence are 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on and so forth. Okay, अब इसमें से हम क्या कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं? A is equal to 5, D is equal to 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 7 2, 11 minus 9 2, 13 minus 11 2. So D is 2. Okay, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 2. ये हमें मिल गया यहाँ पे. And N is equal to 24. हमें फाइंड करना है the sum of the first 24 terms. Okay, so sum of the first 24 terms यानी कि S24 is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket closed. Okay, so n is 24 upon 2. Okay, 2a, a is 5, so 2a is 10, 2 into 5 is 10, plus n is 24 minus 1, so 24 minus 1 into d is 2. Okay, now this is equal to 12 into bracket 10 plus 24 minus 1 23 into 2 is 46. So this is equal to 12 into 56. Okay, and 12 into 56 अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें अपना आंसर मिल जाएगा. Now let us see what is 12 into 56. So the answer is 672. So the sum of first 24 terms of the sequence where the nth term is an is equal to 3 plus 2n is 672. So this is our answer. Example number 16. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find number 1, the production in the first year, number 2, the production in the 10th year, and number 3, the production in the 7th year. Friends, यहाँ पे हमको एक बात नोट करनी है. Assuming the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Okay. Since production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, we can say that the production follows arithmetic progression. Okay, because it happens uniformly every year, the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, we can say that it follows AP, arithmetic progression. अब क्या दिया हुआ है? It says that the production of TV sets is 600 in the third year, okay, यानी A3, and 700 in the seventh year, यानी कि A7. Okay, let us write this also. The number of TV sets produced after nth year is equal to AN. Okay, so A3 is 600 and A7 is 700. This implies that A3 is equal to 600 and A7 is equal to 700. So now we can say that A plus 2D, because ये A3 है, this can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 600, and ये A7 है 700, so this can be written as A plus 6d is equal to 700. ओके, अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस के थ्रू हम a भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं, d भी फाइंड कर. लेट अस डू दैट. a is equal to 600 minus 2d. a is equal to 600 minus 2d. हम यहाँ पे वही यूज कर लेंगे. तो इस इक्वेशन को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a is equal to 600 minus 2d. सो यहाँ पे a है उसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे. 600 minus 2d plus 6d is equal to 700. ओके, सो 600 यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा और हमारे पास राइट हैंड साइड में 700 minus 600 यानी 100 बचेगा. so this is minus 2d plus 6d is equal to 700 minus 600. Okay, so 4d is equal to 100 and therefore d is equal to 25. जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो हमें मिल गया 25. Let us find a now. अगर हम यहाँ पे a को ले लेते हैं 600 minus 2d, d मिल गया है हमको. This can be written as a is equal to 600 minus 2d. So a is equal to 600 minus 2 into d is 25. So a is equal to 600 minus 50 which is equal to 550. Okay, हमें a भी मिल गया, हमें d भी मिल गया. Let us take the next part of the question. But before we go ahead, let us write that the production in the first year is 550 units. The production in the first year is equal to 550 units. Okay, वही हमने फाइंड आउट कर दिया यहाँ पे. सेकेंड पार्ट में हमें फाइंड करना है प्रोडक्शन आफ्टर द 10th ईयर. प्रोडक्शन इन द 10th ईयर हमें ये फाइंड करना है. ओके, इसका सिंपल फॉर्मूला है a plus 9d. ओके, सो प्रोडक्शन इन 10th ईयर is equal to a plus 9d. a हमारे पास है, अब सिर्फ फॉर्मूला ही है, हमें वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. 550 plus 9 into 25. So 550 plus 225, this is equal to 775 units is the answer. Okay. Total, the third part is total production in 7 years. यहां पे हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? हमें फाइंड करना है S7. ओके, S7 is equal to 7 upon 2 into 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25. ओके, ये हमें S7 दे देगा, प्रोडक्शन इन द 7 years देगा हमको. So this is equal to 7 upon 2 into 1100, 550 into 2 plus 6 into 25, which is equal to 150. Okay, and this is equal to 4375. Okay, 7 upon 2 into 1100 plus 150 is equal to 4375. So TV sets produced in the first 7 years is 4375. Total TV sets produced in the first 7 years are 4375 units. Okay, and
फ्रेंड्स, आज ही फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप सब्सक्राइब करें, जहां आपको मिलेंगे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, डिजिटल बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक सॉल्यूशंस, नोट्स, डीपीपी और क्विज. और हाँ, फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप मोबाइल, टीवी और कंप्यूटर पर अवेलेबल है. और अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है तो तुरंत ऑफलाइन सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए संपर्क करें. फ्लेक्सी टीचर, द वन यू नीडेड.